welcome back to Architect Julie. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're like, oh, she's back again. Oh, why did she leave? Why did she not pursue the whole video thing, like YouTubing, and like, why did she like go and why is she back? So as you can see in like the title, I just got my new phone, or like I ordered my new phone. And so I thought that maybe I should do an unboxing video and like relaunch my YouTube channel. So here we are. I am gonna be back on YouTube. I'm gonna be posting like once in 2 weeks or something. Like, I don't want to like overpromise and underdeliver like I did the last time. I just abandoned you guys, and like I abandoned my channel too. I feel badly about that, but then I had my whole thing going on, so I'll like discuss that later in other videos, maybe like the reason that I kind of left YouTubing and like focused on schoolwork and everything. Definitely, like, you'll get to know I'm not some person who will just keep you in the dark, be like, hey, here's my YouTube channel, and then I'll just disappear, and then I'll be like, hey, here's my YouTube channel again, and like without any explanation. You guys deserve an explanation, I'll give it to you. Anyway, about everything else, let's keep that aside. Let's focus on my new phone, which I have right here. Ta-da! Like, so I have been waiting for this since like 23rd, because I pre-ordered it on the 16th of November, when the pre-order date was like, it was supposed to be launching for pre-orders on 16th November at 5 a.m. PST, Pacific time zone, and I woke up with like, I put an alarm on the 15th, and I woke up at 4:30. I waited half an hour and I ordered or pre-booked my phone. It took a lot of time in processing, and then they ran into like some trouble with the shipping and everything, because I am actually receiving it like 4 days late, but that's fine. Today it's the 28th here, and I had to receive it on let's say 24th, I guess. Yeah, but that's fine. Enough chit chat. Now we get into the unboxing. This is how I got the package. I ordered it directly from Apple website. I did not go to any third-party retail store. I just like, for the first time, I just wanted to order it directly from the website. So it got shipped, and it is coming from China. So there we are. Anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna open this. Oops. I keep doing that. Never mind. Oops. Maybe I should have like my scissors out. I'll just take out my scissors. So the reason I bought a new phone was that I actually broke the phone, like kind of broke, like my phone right now, the iPhone 10, is really shattered. The glass screen is shattered, the back screen is kind of shattered. So that's why I like bought the new phone, because like I kind of needed it. And what's better than an iPhone? I like iPhones. Anyway, so here we are. I'll just like take things away. I don't want to see it too. Oh, okay. Okay, I see ya. Oh wait, interesting. It's like, okay, so this was the box, and it's like interesting. I don't know how. Oh, okay. Okay, I see this. It's like there's a sheet over it, so the box is protected. It's like a kind of a pocket. Let's take it. Oh my god, from here. Oh, I'll just keep it there. Okay, this looks pretty, I'm not gonna lie. Wow. The variation with the old boxes and the new one is like huge. I can definitely feel it. It feels like very bricky, like you're holding a brick, which is not that thick, but like about this thick. That's nice. It's like not too heavy, but like not too light as well. And there we go. Very clean, very smooth. And now the time we've been waiting for. Oh my god, this is first reaction. This looks pretty. Oh, you're mine. Hi, baby. I'm sorry. And this is why the video I'm shooting this phone on, like the phone I'm shooting this video on, is so broken. Oh my god, my clumsy hands. I'm so sorry, phone. Okay, this is how it looks, and I think this fell off. It has the key to open the phone for the SIM card, a thing like, oops, sorry, an Apple sticker. Some people don't read this, so we don't care. And we have the thing, the lead. This time it is USB-C, and I personally do not have a USB-C adapter, which is like as powerful as the phone demands it to be. So I'm just gonna be using my old charger for like my phone charger for the iPhone 10. Like I'm just gonna be using that, but just to show you guys. There we have like the lead, not too long, but the standard. And with the phone, this is pretty. I like the color. Like it seems kind of like midnight green. Wait, you okay? And I'm gonna take this away. Oh, this looks pretty. Okay, I'm gonna switch it on. Yo, actually the blue is really pretty, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'll show it to you guys in like more sunlight. Right now the phone is opening. Oh, you can see my phone there. That's the phone. That's like really in bad condition right now. That's why I needed the new phone. This feels pretty. It is definitely much bigger than the iPhone 10, which I use, because I can feel a very big variation in my hand. Just like holding it feels very different. I mean, if you change from iPhone 10 to iPhone 12 Pro, oh my god, I didn't tell you guys. Yeah, so like I am unboxing iPhone 12 Pro, which obviously you guys know. And yeah, but like yeah, anyway, it's like 128 GB. I got it for like $1,000, which is good, I think, because in India I've been hearing that it's really expensive. And let's see. Oh wait, this, I'm not gonna lie, this definitely feels much better than the iPhone 10 in my hand. Just like, I don't know, like the square fit, it's pretty. Like I like that. Later, I'll set up Hey Siri later. I'll do that later. Not now. Screen time continue. See the two. I'm gonna choose it to be on dark mode because that's how I am. I'm dark. Oh my god, I don't think I can get cringier than this, but okay. Display zoom. Standard zoomed. Just do standard. Welcome to the iPhone. Yay. I love setting up new phones and like laptops. The whole feeling that it's so new, it's pretty. I actually also have gotten a shockproof case and what do you say? A screen protector, just because I know and I'm aware of this. Okay. Hello, new phone. This looks pretty. Okay. It's like the normal. The screen is pretty much the usual. That's nice. I wonder if I have WhatsApp right now. I don't. I'll just download it quickly and I'm gonna call my family. So we have like this tradition in our family that whenever someone buys a new phone, the first photo that we take is a selfie of every one of us. Like everyone, it's like a family photo, but like it's a family selfie with all five of us. But that's not gonna happen because my parents and my sisters are back in India, as you guys, some of you guys might know, and I'm here in California for my college, and I'm looking for WhatsApp right now. I'm sorry. I get sidetracked a lot. It's very easy for me to get distracted. Anyhow, so I'm gonna call them, and hopefully everyone is awake at this moment. I did tell my dad to be awake at least. So if he's there, I'll just like take a screenshot, and that will be the first photo in my iPhone, which is like, I don't know. We try to celebrate the little things in life, so that's okay. And looks like we're in WhatsApp. I have been added to a lot of groups. I'm looking for my family group right now. Yep, I see my family group here. I'm gonna call all of them. Allow access to camera. Hello, assalamualaikum. Hello. Hello, yes, I have phone. Hello. हाँ, cheers. ओके, थैंक यू. इतना अच्छी कैमरा क्वालिटी है. मेरा वीडियो अच्छा आ रहा है कि नहीं? क्या? मेरा वीडियो मतलब नॉर्मल टाइम से बेटर आ रहा है कि अभी आ रहा है वैसे ही आ रहा है जैसा आता है? बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है ना, वही तो इसकी कैमरा क्वालिटी काफी अच्छी है. नाइस. जब फोन पे इतना अच्छा आ रहा है. चलिए ठीक है, मैं आप लोग को अपना वीडियो खत्म करके बात करती हूँ, या फिर बाय, टाटा, लव यू, गुड नाइट, बाय. Okay, so I just ended my call with my family. Luckily, everyone was awake. I was kind of expecting that because we're all like, we are always like awake at night. I'm so sorry, this is like, okay, like, so I took the first photo, kind of photo, but like a screenshot, but it's fine. Like the first photo in my phone is now of me and my family. Just like this, you guys can see we're super cute. Yep, there we go. Like the camera quality is good. We're gonna do a camera test like later, like not too late, but right now I'm just gonna put it over the screen protector and everything, just so that, because we're gonna go outside for the camera test, and I don't want to like even risk my clumsy hands just like dropping this, because I would be mad. It's not even been an hour since I have been with this phone, so I'd be really, really, really mad if it just like dropped. Okay, so okay, so after the whole thing, this is the whole thing. This is how my phone is looking right now. Right now. Yep. So let's take this out. Okay guys, so I'm outside my dorm building right now, and as you can see, that's my dorm, and I'm like at the back side of it just because the sunlight was coming directly here. So I just came to like show you guys the camera quality of the 12 Pro, which is super amazing. I am gonna show you exactly how I look from the same angle, video wise, from front camera from my iPhone 10, and you can compare. Okay guys, so this is how I look with the iPhone 10 camera, and as you can see, the background is all exposed and it's like not good quality. I have to like tap it so that the background is coming and I'm coming too. And not gonna lie, not a fan anymore. I'm sorry, phone, I love you, but I love this one so much more. I feel like I'm gonna have some bomb selfies now. Anyhow, so I'll just like make the rest of the video from the 12. So peace out, iPhone 10. See ya. The back quality of the camera. This is how my video is coming out right now. Still a bit exposed. And yeah, I think like that was it. Thank you for watching, guys. I am going back to my room. That's my hall. That's Potter Hall. Like, that's UC Davis, Tercero. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. It was a pleasure doing a video again. Made me feel very free. And yeah, I think I'm gonna continue doing videos now. I have like at least 2 or 3 videos already made. I'll upload them. And yep, so thanks for watching, I guess. Stay tuned. See ya. Hello, assalamualaikum. Hello. Hello, yes, नया phone. Hello, assalamualaikum. Hi, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? ओके, बाबाजी कहाँ हैं? फोन से ही तो बात कर रही हूँ. डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा. कोई एक अपना माइक ऑफ कर दे आप लोग में से. आप लोग अब्बा मम्मा आप दोनों साथ में आ जाए ना. एक उसमें मैंने अभी अपना व्लॉग बना रही हूँ. यस अनब्लॉकिंग. हाँ हाँ, उसी से फोन कर रही हूँ आप लोग को. हाँ हाँ, मैं अपने नए आईफोन से बात कर रही हूँ. हाय, रुको आप लोग स्माइल करें सब. रुको सब लोग आओ इस पे. अरे पम्पा पम्पा को भी ले आओ प्लीज प्लीज. पम्पा को भी ले आओ. नहीं उधर ही खड़ा हुआ तो है पुम्बा. पुम्बा इसमें खैर. हाँ, आप लोग अपने बाल कंघी कर लें. हम थोड़ा तैयार हो जाए. मतलब यही मैं ब्लॉग पे भी डालूंगी ना फोटो. नहीं बना रही हूँ मैं. बन रहा है ऐसे. ये देखें. हाँ डब्बा ये देखें. इसमें आया था. यस. ओह, आप लोग ऐसे बैक कैमरा में शायद फोन देख सकते हैं. हाँ, आपको भी है. यस. नहीं अभी बन रहा है. आप लोग का रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है जब लोग बोल रहे हैं. वो तो सब कर सकती हूँ. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. आप एक मिनट सब लोग स्माइल करें. सब लोग स्माइल करें. सब लोग स्माइल करें. मैं सेल्फी ले रही हूँ. अम्मा आती आ रही है. थोड़ा तो कैमरा पीछे करें सब लोग हैं ढंग से. हाँ बस ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. हाँ चीज़. ओके थैंक यू. इतनी अच्छी कैमरा क्वालिटी है. मेरा वीडियो अच्छा आ रहा है कि नहीं? क्या मेरा वीडियो मतलब नॉर्मल टाइम से बेटर आ रहा है कि अभी आ रहा है वैसे ही आ रहा है जैसा आता है? बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है ना. वही तो, इसकी कैमरा क्वालिटी काफी अच्छी है. नाइस. जब फोन पे इतना अच्छा आ रहा है. चलिए ठीक है, आप लोग को अपना वीडियो खत्म करके बात करती हूँ या फिर बाय. टाटा. लव यू. गुड नाइट. बाय.